This is Devinder Kaur and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Enlightened Room. In this video, we're going to study about the atom. Well, there are various questions that come across in the minds of students that what is an atom? Are humans made of atoms? Can you see an atom? What is the structure of atom? Can atoms multiply? Is a germ smaller than an atom? Okay, these curiosity questions we're going to study today. Okay, so let's start with the first question. It is, what is an atom? Well, atom is the smallest particle that exists in our universe. You all know very well that our universe is made up of matter. We all are made up of matter. This board, the wall you can see here and here, I myself, okay, is made up of atom. You all are made up of matter. Did I say atom? Yes. We will discuss about it too. We all are made up of matter, and that matter is consists of these small particles, these smallest particles. Okay. So these smallest particles are atoms, and what are these consist of? These consist of proton, neutron and electron. So this is an atom, the smallest particle. Well, in the earlier times there was a theory that atom is indivisible, but after the modification of Dalton's theory and after the various theories in which they discovered electron, proton and neutron, it was found that atom is divided. And it is divided into proton, neutron and electron. Okay. So atom is smallest particle which is divisible, plus it is the building block of our universe. It is a building block of matter. Okay. So it is a fundamental particle, smallest particle, building block of the matter. So this is all an atom is. Okay. I hope your doubts got cleared. Now let's move on to the second question is, are humans made of atoms? Well, I actually skipped my tongue and I told you the answer in the first question. Yes, we humans are made up of atoms. Our body is made up of atoms. Even the air we breathe in is made up of atom. The air we breathe out, the air we exhale is made up of atoms. We exhale carbon dioxide, we breathe in oxygen. Okay, each and every part of our body is made of atoms. So yes, humans are made of atoms. So here goes the second question. Let's move on to the third question. It is, can you see an atom? Well, if there was no electron microscope, then it was a big no-no. But if you want to see it through the naked eyes, this is not possible. You want to see the atom on your skin. You want to see the atom in these kind of accessories, in jewelry. You cannot see. But if you have very strong electron microscope, ultra electron microscope, that is this much strong that you can see atom clearly, and you can see the parts of atoms like proton, electron, neutron, the nucleus, the orbits, etc., etc. Well, this is possible, but we are still researching. We are still trying to make that ultra strong electron microscope, but we can see some kind of traces of atoms, okay, with the help of electron microscope. But if you want to see the atom with the naked eyes, well, it is not possible. Atom is really very, very small. Okay, we cannot see the atom with naked eyes, but we can see the traces of atoms with the help of electron microscope. Okay. Then comes the next question. We have covered these three questions. Then comes the fourth question. What is the structure of atom? Okay. Well, the structure of atom. In the structure of atom, it consists of a nucleus at the center, in which there are protons and neutrons, which are collectively called the nucleus. Outside the nucleus, there comes the various orbits, in which there are certain electrons present in those orbits, like this. Okay, well, I have marked their positions, okay, so that it would be easy for you. For every element, for atom of every element, there would be different number of protons, electrons and neutrons. Okay. For example, for hydrogen, there is one proton and one electron. There would be an neutron or not. Okay. For lithium, we have 3 protons and 3 electrons. Okay. It depends upon the element. There would be various number of proton, neutron and electron in every atom of element. Okay. So this all thing consists the structure of atom. Okay. At the center there is nucleus, in which the nucleons are present. And what are nucleons? The protons and neutrons are nucleons, and outside the nucleus there would be various orbits in which the electrons would be revolving around the nucleus. Okay. So this is about the structure of atom. Okay. Then comes the 5th question, and that is, can atoms multiply? Now what does this mean? Can atoms multiply? Well, it means, can atoms reproduce? Well, like the process of diffusion, the sexual reproduction, the asexual reproduction, or not? No. Atoms cannot reproduce. Atoms cannot multiply, but they make a bond, they react. Okay. Like the potassium would be reactive with certain element or with the certain atom of the element. Okay. They react, they make a bond, like bond of CO2. Okay, like the bond of H2O. They combine to form a new compound, a mixture, etc. But they do not reproduce. Okay. Last question is a germ smaller than an atom? Think about it. Atom is so small that you could even just see its traces. But you can see a germ through a microscope. So that means germ is bigger than atom, right? Well, yes, germs itself are made up of atoms. Okay. So germs are larger, or you can say bigger or greater in size than atoms. Okay. So these were the 6 questions that come up in the mind of every student related to the atom. Okay. So this was up for today's video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.